Hi, my name is Teresa Bugmeyer. I want to talk today about some of the requirements to become an elementary school counselor. These are people that work to discover and develop special abilities of students. They work to resolve students' educational handicaps. They're readily available to students so as to provide counseling that will lead each student to increase in personal growth and self-understanding. They work with students on an individual basis in a solution of personal problems related to such problems as home and family relations, health, and emotional adjustment. They also guide students in their participation of school and community activities. They maintain student records and protect their confidentiality. They aid in conflict management in the classrooms, and they also teach coping and healthy life choices. The required education for school counselors is a master's degree in the school counseling, and in Utah, they are accredited programs at Utah State University, University of Utah, Utah Valley University, or Rocky Mountain University of Health Professions. They also have to pass the Praxis 5421 test with a score of 164 or higher. And they have to receive a recommendation for licensure from the university which the program was completed. In my 4-year plan, I will receive my bachelor's degree in marriage and family from BYU, Idaho in the spring of 2024. I plan on taking the GRE in the spring of 2024 and applying for a master's program at the University of Utah, at Utah Valley University. I plan on starting my master's program at UVU in fall of 2024 and graduate with a master's degree in spring of 2026. Why I chose majoring in elementary school counseling. I currently work in an elementary as a special education technician, and I know that there is a critical shortage of school counselors in all of my children's schools, whether it's the elementary, the middle school, the junior high, or the high school. I enjoy working in education. I've already made a difference with the students that I work with, and I want to help many others. I love the study of emotions and behaviors, and it's very fascinating to me, and I love to learn new things and try new techniques.